Montoya. Miss. Rebound by Guzon. You need to clear the ball. You need to clear the ball.
Napakita pinapakita natin.
1 minute and 35 seconds. 6 against 4 in favor of Orange. Santiago. To Montoya. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Batak. Miss. Batak again. Misses that one again. Rebound will be on Sulit. Guzon. Pass it to Ravena. Ravena misses that one. Rebound by Montoya. Kicking it out to Batak. 1 minute and 13 seconds left in this ball game. 6-4. Sulit. Jumper miss. Rebound by Santiago. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Montoya taking that long two. Bang! 6-all. 55 seconds. 10 on the shot clock. Guzon kicking it out. What a pass to Rapena. Rapena giving back the lead to Team Orange. 7 against 6. 10 on the shot clock. Miscommunication by Team Green. 35 seconds. What a pass to Guzon. It will be an easy basket. Makes it 8-6. 30 seconds.
Good defense. Good defense by Bossing.
Good ball. Santiago. Santiago again. Misses that one again. Rebound by Santiago again. What a pass to number 15, Montoya. Montoya is a black. Shot clock is off. 10 seconds in the clock. Ravena. Ravena misses that one. 4 seconds. 2. Batak.